Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to track your time in Notion, step by step, using a simple but powerful table setup. Whether you're juggling work projects, personal goals, or just want to get a handle on where your time is going each day, by the end of this video, you'll know how to build your own time tracker inside Notion and start using it right away. Let's jump right in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to your Notion workspace. That's your home base in Notion, where you keep all your pages and databases. If you're new to Notion, just log in and you'll likely land on your main dashboard or one of your most recent pages. From here, you can either create a brand new page for your time tracker or simply add your table to an existing page, totally up to you. I usually recommend starting fresh so your time tracking setup stays organized and easy to find, especially if you plan to use it daily. Next, we need to create a new table. This is where the magic happens. Tables in Notion let you capture, organize, and analyze data, almost like a spreadsheet. To do this, just click the plus button and select Table, or type /table and hit Enter. Don't worry if you're not familiar with databases. Notion's table view is really user-friendly, and you can always adjust things as you go. Now it's time to set up your headers. These will form the backbone of your time tracker. I want you to name your columns as follows: task, start time, end time, and duration. Let me walk you through why each one matters for effective time tracking. Task is for the activity you're logging, like responding to emails or working on marketing plan. It's useful to be specific so you can analyze where your time goes. Start time and end time are pretty straightforward. Recording the exact times helps you see how long each activity takes. And duration is the calculation showing the total amount of time you spent on a specific task. If you want an extra challenge, Notion lets you use formulas to auto-calculate duration, but if you're just starting out, you can add it manually. Take your time to label each column. Making it clear now will save confusion later. Once your headers are in place, you can start adding tasks. Click in the first empty row and type the name of your current activity, followed by the start and end times. For example, let's say you worked on writing monthly report from 9:00 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. You note those times down and then either calculate and fill in 1 hour 30 minutes in the duration column or use a formula to have Notion do it for you. This is where the system starts to reveal its value. You'll be able to scroll back and see exactly how your day unfolds, which tasks eat up your time, and where you might want to make changes. And that's really it. You can add as many tasks as you need. The table will expand as your list grows. If you're tracking your whole day, don't worry about making the table huge. Notion handles long lists very smoothly. You can tweak or expand your table later with more columns like priority or project to really tailor it to your workflow. But even just with task, start time, end time, and duration, you'll instantly have a much clearer picture of your time. So try this setup with your next workday or study session and see how it feels. If you got value from this tutorial, please hit that like button and subscribe. It helps me keep making helpful Notion videos for you. And if you've got questions, drop them down in the comments. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.